Ansible, maintained by Red Hat, is a Python-based tool for configuration management, cloud provisioning, and application deployment. It uses YAML playbooks to manage server settings without requiring additional packages on the servers. Ansible's simplicity and scalability make it a popular choice for DevOps, managing Docker containers, automation, and configuration management. It can also be used for provisioning, compliance, and security. Ansible Tower offers enterprise-level features like dashboards and integrated notifications. Puppet, on the other hand, is a Ruby-based platform for configuration management and automation. Users define their desired end states with Puppet DSL, and Puppet maps these to servers running the Puppet agent service. Unlike Ansible's agentless approach, Puppet requires the installation of Puppet Agent on each server. Puppet Enterprise enhances the open-source offering with features like dashboards and role-based access control, RBAC. When comparing Ansible and Puppet, the architecture stands out. Ansible is agentless, using SSH to connect to servers, which means no additional software is needed on the managed servers. This leads to lower maintenance costs and less overhead. Ansible's push architecture allows for quick updates across thousands of servers. In contrast, Puppet employs a client-server model, requiring the Puppet agent on each server and acceptance by the Puppet server. Both platforms can be extended, with Ansible modules being developed in any language that outputs JSON, while Puppet extensions require Ruby. Ansible's ease of setup and push architecture may appeal to those looking for simplicity and immediate control, whereas Puppet's client-server model offers a different approach to configuration management.